Hello friends, welcome back to Tech2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the setting of double press to your volume plus or minus button to on camera. Okay, so just tap on camera app. Now tap on these three horizontal dot lines. Tap on setting. Scroll down until you find quick launch. Toggle this switch on right after quick launch. Turn on wake screen. So a permission is denied, so just go to settings, allow a permission that you have denied earlier. Okay, so tap on camera. Now toggle this switch on, allow turning the screen on. Now go back and just toggle this switch on right after quick launch. Tap on it. Okay, now you can you have to just press two time on the volume screen. Here you can read also. Double press either volume button to launch the camera when the screen is off. Okay, not available during audio playback. Now just you have to double tap on the volume button. You can press either volume plus button or volume minus button, so your camera will be launched. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, so please like, share, subscribe to Techsor 2.